Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Ranjan Sahu. Now I'm going to start the programming in Python week 4, assignment 4 of January and April 2025, which last date is 31st March 2025. Okay, now let's start week 4 solutions. See, this is the SWAYAM portal, and you can see here the CEC programming in Python assessment for January 2025, and you can get up to 10 questions here and try to attempt the 10 questions. So let's start the first question here. What is the purpose of a conditional statement in Python? What is the purpose of conditional statement? Four options are given. Out of the four options, the most appropriate option is to make the decision based on a certain conditions. To make the decision based on a certain conditions. This is the purpose of conditional statement in the Python. One, option C. Moving to the question number 2. Okay, numerical is there. What will be the output of the following code if the user inputs 20? If the user input 20. Here age input, enter the age. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then first message will be you are eligible to drive, else you are not eligible to drive. Since the condition is if the age is greater than or equal to 18, that means here you can put the 20. So you are eligible to drive. You are eligible to drive. 2, option A is the right answer. You can see, since 20 is greater than 18, 20 is greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, it prints the first message. Okay, got it? Next, question number 3. Which conditional statement allows checking multiple condition in Python? Multiple condition in Python means it will be this answer: if, elif, or else. These will check the multiple conditions. Okay, see, it allows checking multiple conditions sequentially. Okay, these functions if, else, it allows checking multiple conditions sequentially. So, 3, option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 4. What will be the output of the following code if the user enters 80? Okay, user enter 80. Then condition is there. Suppose input enter the marks and starting from the conditions, that is if is greater than or equal to 85 and less than or equal to 100. Greater than or equal to 85, less than or equal to 100, a distinction, and else mark 75 to 84, it is A plus grade. Okay, our input is 80. So 80 lies between what? 80 lies between 75 to 84. Then it is A plus grade. Okay, it is A plus grade. That is option B. Clear? 4B is the right answer. See, 80 falls range under 75 to 84. So second else if condition you will execute. Okay, so A plus grade is there. 4, option B. Moving to the question number 5. Which of the following loops are supported by Python? Loops supported by Python are while loop and for loop. Okay, while loop and for loop, because Python does not have a do while or repeat until loop. Okay, do while and repeat until loop is not there. So while loop and for loop, okay, are supported by Python. Moving to the question number 6. What will be the output of the following code? I starts from 1, while less than equal to 5, then print I and I equal to I plus 1 increment. So when I equal to I plus I, then I equal to I plus 1 means 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So option A is the right answer. Okay. Next, you can see the loop runs from 1 to 5 and prints each number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be the answer. This option is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7. Which statement is true about the range function in Python? Range function is Python. Okay. So in the range case Pythons, you can see range function in Python. The range function returns a sequence of numbers. 7, option C. 7, option C. The range function returns a sequence of numbers. Sequence of number means it generates a sequence of number based on start, stop, and step. It generates a sequence of number based on start, stop, and steps. So option C is the right answer. The range of function returns a sequence of numbers. 7, option C. Moving to the question number 8. What will be the output of the following code? Range 2, 10 and 3. I ends. So it will start from 2, okay, then incremented by 3, then stop before 10. Okay. So answer will be 2, then plus 3 equal to 5, plus 3 equal to 8. So 2, 5, 8. Okay, 8 option A. You can see the loop starts from 2, increment by 3 each time and stops before 10. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 2 plus 3 equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 10, 8. If I add again plus 3, it will be 11. So it is asking about the 10, 10 before, so only 3 digits are there, 2, 5 and 8. Moving to the question number 9. What will be the output of the following code? I equal to 1 while I is then equal to 10. Print I. If I equal to 1, then breaks. When I is equal to 5, then it will be break. Then what will be the answer? Answer will be 1. Then I plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then it will breaks. It breaks. So it will print up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9. The loop stops as I equal to 5 due to break. Okay, break there. That's why it will print up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 option B. Moving to the question number 10, which is the last question. Which of the following statement about the continuous statement is true? Which continuous statement? Continuous statements to means it skipping the remaining code inside the loop for the current locations. Okay, so it moves to the text. It moves to the next iteration without executing the rest of the code in the loop body. Okay. It moves to the next iteration without executing the rest of the code in the loop. So it allows skipping the remaining code inside the loop for the current locations. So once again, we can verify the answer. So question number 1 is C, question number 2 is A, question number 3 is also C, question number 4 option B, question number 5 option B, question number 6 option A, question number 7 option C, question number 8 option A, question number 9 option B, and question number 10 is also B. Now I am going to submit the answer button. Now the message came, your answer are successfully submitted. We assignment submission date is this one. Before date I submit the answer, attempt all the 10 questions. And guys, if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. You can share this channel to your friends and colleagues so the other people get to know the answer of these questions. And all the best for your exam. Thank you.